This is the new cage. Not the newest one I'm getting. There's a cockatiel meadow in here for now, because he's getting plucked by his dad. Compared to the flight cages, it's a little bit smaller. But it will work. I might put weaned babies in there. When I do get a new flight cage, this cage over there is going there, that's going out, and that's staying there. I was going to put the other cage here, but I don't want to disturb these two. It's a luxury cage, unlike those. So that's the new cage. It's a little empty for now. These cups are so tiny. I put some stuff down. Walnut seeds. Not seeds, with the shell. There's Meadow. Here's his naked head. Overall, it's a decent cage.